here in Wangaratta kasi ita-try namin ang food ng aming friend. Ayan. Meron silang food truck. Ita-try namin yung food ng Hapag de Keluka. Titinda sila ng mga Filipino food. So, ita-try namin today.
Kami ang practice dito?
Magkikita na naman tayo bukas! Hi! Tayo sa Hapag de Keluka.
Please follow Dana Rubiano sa
Hindi! The Rubiano family.
Rubiano family wala.
Hello!
Nandito na sila, Bobby. 4 sisig lumpia, 2 kaldereta, 2 halo-halo.
Wow, sisipag talaga. Hi, Monique!
Ay, Dana! Napakaganda na ba?
Sisig. Hello! Dito talaga nakita-kita.
Tatlong sisig. Isang pork. Lumpia.
Thank you so much. Congrats yung mga shoy, Dana. Magkikita tayo sa susunod. Tayo sa inyo. Magkikapan tayo. Thank you.
Oh, dito. Blocking eh.
Say bye-bye to your friends. Let's go. Dito na. Ayan, in-order namin.
Sisig.
How is it?
Good. Yummy.
Yummy. Ayan siya, oh. Try natin. Carlos, are you eating? May chicharon sa taas. Yummy.
Doon mo nilagay yung lemon.
May lemon pa pala. Nung nag-birthday si Cassie, umorder kami ng kaldereta sa kanila. And lumpia. Yummy?
Malaki yung
Delicious?
Lumpia. Malaki yung lumpia.
Yum. Anong lumpia yung binili mo?
Pork.
Pork?
Meron din beef. Ito yung pork.
Malaman.
Mas malaki siya.
Sa birthday nga ni Cassie, naubos agad yung lumpia eh.
Nabenta. Pwede rin siyang ulam.
Grabe oh. Siksik.
Lumpia. This one. Remember that?
Yummy? You wanna try the lumpia? You happy with that? Yummy?
Sulit siya kasi $20 lang.
Rice tsaka ulam na. That nag-ASMR tayo. Ano? Gabi nakakabusog siya.
Sold.
Wala mo ng diet. Meron din silang chicken nuggets and chips for the kids. Yummy?
Yummy.
Ano siyang prawn crackers.
Kasamang prawn crackers. Paubos na yung food ko. Kaya lubos mo na yung food mo, almost. Ubos na. Lumpia na lang. Did you finish your food? Wow, good job, kuya. Meron pang dessert. Meron din silang halo-halo. Yum.
Is the ice cream?
It's halo-halo.
I want some.
Yes. Daddy's still mixing it. Yum. Cassie, where are you?
I'm right here.
Say hi.
It was yummy!
It's yummy?
It was yummy!
The food's yummy?
Yeah. It was yummy. Looks like boba or ice cream.
Ano yan, baby?
Ano pa ng bibig mo? Ba yan?
Yummy! Wow, may taga-subo. Ikaw muna, ikaw muna.
Strawberry. I want just a strawberry.
My turn. Mmm.
Why is everyone eating it and they're putting now mayonnaise? Me first.
Me first.
Mommy first.
Ladies first.
Baby Saja. Baby Saja time.
Go. Seatbelt, guys. Cassie, fix your seatbelt, please.
One more.
Delicious. Okay, bye.
Bye.
Was it yummy?
Yes.
Thumbs up everywhere.
Thumbs up everywhere. Bye.
Bye.